4-H has been part of my family since before I was born. My grandfather was a 4-H leader in the 1950s in Minnesota, and my mom was even in a 4-H sorority called Clovia. We moved to Randolph County, West Virginia in 1978 when I was 3. All my older brothers and sisters were in 4-H, and I would go to their sewing competitions and their public speaking contests. And of course, I loved 4-H camp. I couldn't wait to be old enough to join 4-H and go to my own council circle. I'd been in 4-H for 5 years before I attended my first state camp. Anyone who's ever been part of West Virginia 4-H knows camp is special like no other place on earth. The assemblies, the songs, the traditions, and of course the people. I made friendships in 4-H that have never faded, even though our paths rarely cross. And I learned values and principles in 4-H that guide me in the decisions and choices I make today. I actually gave a presentation at work once, and the theme was to make the best better. Most of the times I attended 4-H camp, I was a scholarship recipient. And as a recipient, we would write thank you cards to the people who had donated money. And I vividly remember being 13 years old and thinking, I want to be able to do this one day. I want to be able to share 4-H with some kid in the future and give to them what 4-H has given to me. So that's what my family is doing. And I can tell by the cards we get that 4-H is still changing lives. So, I'm asking you to give back to 4-H. You may not think you have much to give, but every little bit helps. I can't imagine my life without 4-H. Can you?